Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we are going to start our Unit 2. Our Unit 1 and Unit 2 deals with the same big question, where are we in the universe? Today our target is page number 16, vocabulary words. Our Unit 2 is about traveling together around the sun. Isn't it interesting? Before letting you know about the topic, let's talk about some vocabulary words. Get ready. Open up your book, page 16, part A. Vocabulary words. Space probe, core, gravity, craters, surface, astronomer, orbit, distance, diameter, matter, unique. Let's know about the meanings of these words. Astronomer. Astronomer is an expert in or a student of astronomy, study of space. For example, the astronomer studies the moon of Jupiter. You can see an astronomer in a picture. Space probe. Space probe. Space probe is a vehicle, for example, a satellite, equipped to obtain the scientific information normally transmitted back to Earth by radio. Anything which is sent from Earth outside the Earth to get the information from that part and sent it back to Earth via radio. For example, scientists sent a space probe to Mars. Mars is one of the planets. Core. Core is a part of something that is central. For example, the core of Earth, the central part of Earth, is 1800 miles below the surface. Gravity. Gravity is a force that attracts a body towards the center of Earth. This is gravity due to which we are standing on Earth. Otherwise, we would have floated in the air. An apple falls from the tree on the ground. It doesn't float in the air. It falls in the downward direction due to this force, which is called gravity. For example, without gravity, people on Earth would float into the air. That would be funny, no? Orbit. The curved path of objects or spacecraft around a star or sun, etc. For example, Earth's orbit around the sun is not a perfect circle. Matter. Physical substance in journal that occupies space. For example, there are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. These are the physical substances which are occupying some space. Planets and stars are full of matter. That's all for today. We are going to complete the rest of the vocabulary words in our next lecture. But what you have to do for right now is learn the meanings of these words and write down their creative sentences on a loose sheet of paper.